Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever entered a perfect trade and still closed it early because you were scared, or held a bad trade too long because you didn't trust yourself to exit? That's not a strategy problem, that's a confidence problem. And today I'll show you how professionals fix it. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wednesday Moves. This is episode 23 of our complete trading education series. Over the last few episodes, we talked about systems, risk, and recovery. Today, we focus on a mental foundation that supports everything else: unshakable trading confidence. What real trading confidence is? Real trading confidence is not feeling excited, it is not feeling fearless. It is a calm belief in your process, even when the market is uncertain. It comes from preparation, experience, and data. Why most traders lack confidence? Many traders never build confidence because they never follow one system long enough. They jump between strategies, copy others, and chase short term results. Without consistency, belief cannot grow. Confidence versus overconfidence. Well, confidence is based on statistics, and overconfidence is based on ego. Professionals trust their data, and amateurs trust their emotions. Building confidence through preparation. Every confident trader prepares daily. They analyze markets, plan scenarios, and set expectations. When situations appear, they are already mentally ready. Skill based confidence. Confidence grows through repetition, backtesting, replay practice, and reviewing charts. Train your mind to recognize patterns. And familiarity, it removes the fear. Handling doubt and fear. Doubt appears after losses. Professionals respond with analysis, not emotion. They review statistics and reconnect with their system. Using journals to build belief. A trading journal is a proof of progress. When you see discipline improving, confidence follows. Data replaces negative thoughts. Confidence after losses. After losing periods, professionals rebuild carefully. They reduce size, increase selectivity, and they focus on execution. Confidence is rebuilt step by step. Confidence during winning streaks. Winning streaks test discipline. Overconfidence, it destroys accounts. Professionals stay grounded and follow rules strictly. Decision making under pressure. Now, high pressure moments reveal character. Professionals rely on checklist. They delay emotional reactions and trust their system. Mental rehearsal. Top traders, they visualize scenarios before they happen. This trains the mind to respond calmly under stress. Avoiding external noise. Social media, news, and opinions weaken the confidence. Professionals limit distractions and focus on their own data. Long term confidence growth. True confidence, it grows slowly through discipline, experience, and honest self review. There are no shortcuts. Professional identity. At some point, you stop seeing yourself as trying to trade. You become an operator of a system, and that identity creates stability. Here's a key message: confidence is not something you feel, it is something you build. Every successful trader once doubted themselves. The difference is they kept building discipline and belief. If you are serious about becoming mentally strong, subscribe and continue this journey with me. We are building professionals here step by step. See you in the next episode of Wednesday Moves.